What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching a video. Today we're going to do a really quick, super easy pie. I think Mike found it either on Facebook or on TikTok, one or the other. Okay, don't know what, it's got like 3 ingredients. Well, 4 if you count the crust. So we're actually using a store-bought graham cracker crust, which, it's so much better to make a crust on your own, but I'm going to follow the directions. And 3 ingredients. Boom, boom, boom. Mix it together, then you freeze a pie, and we're going to see what it turns out at the end. It's like a, I think they got like a lemon freezer pie or something. Anyway, it's super easy. If it's good, it's going to be an amazing thing. If not, then I'll let you know on the other side. So anyway, guys, if you're not a subscriber, take a second to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure you do it because it really does help us. Other than that, the recipe will be good or bad. I'm going to put it online at tastingaround.com so you can have it. Enjoy the video, guys, and we'll see you on the other side. All right, guys, so into a bowl, we are going to put a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. I so love this stuff. Ooh. Now, into that, they make a lemonade concentrate, which you get in the freezer section, which is kind of like the old-timey orange juice. Walmart, of course, didn't have it, so I had to go to Winn-Dixie, and that was there. So we're going to use 4 ounces of this lemonade concentrate. And pour that in there. We're going to mix that together. Now, they do make a limeade, and I was like, that could be really good to do limeade. And they also have orange, but I was like, I don't think the orange would be tart enough, because it's got to go against this sweetened condensed milk. This reminds me of a lemon meringue pie my mom used to make. And it was the best lemon meringue pie, but it had raw egg yolks in it. And back in the day, nobody knew anything about it, but it was really a good pie. It didn't kill us, but I'd be too scared now to do it. Okay. So that is mixed together. I'm going to steal a taste. Wow, that tastes like that pie. Now into this we're going to put 1 container of whipped topping. We're going to dump the whole container in there. Hopefully this thing is thawed out completely. Yeah, it's thawed out enough. Kind of fold it in. We want to mix that completely. Now we could put a little bit of yellow food coloring in there if we want to. But I think it's pretty this color, because it's got a hint of yellow. You know what we're going to do there? We're going to get a whisk. Whisk. Because that's never going to mix up completely. Okay, that is mixed very well now. Now I cheated and bought a store pie crust. This is a 10-inch pie crust. This is one of the big ones. And I'm terrified of these little foil rims. So bear with me. They're so sharp. Why couldn't they make them and just bend that edge over? Just roll it just a hair. I guess it'd be extra work for them. Now this thing is going to just fill into the pie crust. Try not to drop the entire bowl in there. Okay, I'm not going to try to get all that up. Remember, these store-bought pie crusts are kind of delicate, I think. Swirl it and bring it to a loop. Swirl it, bring it to a loop. All right, now this is going to go into the freezer. So we're going to let this freeze for a couple of hours and set up really well. Put the lid back on and pinch it in a few spots. If it's good, this was a really easy pie, y'all. So let's put it in the freezer and let it freeze up. All right, guys, we've actually let this cool. We've left this in the freezer overnight. We're going to open up the razor edge. Okay, that's what it looks like. Very pretty. So we're going to cut a piece. It's hard, but not hard. It's like a cheesecake almost. Okay. Again, make your own graham cracker crust. Okay, I'm going to have to scrape this off. Let's do it right there. Store-bought crusts are not nearly as good as homemade, but we're following the recipe exactly the way it's said to. Okay, it's very, okay, really? I've got a feeling I'm going to slice my hand wide open. And I think I just cut the pan too. Okay, so that's not cut. Let's try another approach. So it's hard to cut. That's a given. We'll take it completely out. So I really don't want to cut the pan. Okay, that's pretty. That's nice. All right, so now it's a taste time. Almost threw that right on the floor, kids. Of course, the crust is really hard because it's store-bought. Okay, it's sweet. Michael, this is your baby. It's really good, even with the store-bought crust. That's tasty. Mm-hmm. That's wow. I'd have to say that's like 9 out of 10. I think if you used homemade crust, it'd been 10 out of 10. That'd also be really good with the key lime. Not orange juice. Nope. Oh my gosh, y'all. That's impressive. I thought it was going to taste like frozen Cool Whip with lemonade in it, which it is. It doesn't. It has just cheesecakey feel to it, with like a bang of lemon meringue pie. That's a good one. Definitely try this one. If you do try it, you're going to love it. Make sure you put your comments down below. If you have any questions, comments, or anything else, put them down below. We'd love to hear from you. This recipe will be on the website at tastingaround.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It means so much to us. Other than that, guys, you guys have a safe week out there, but above all, be nice to each other.